DJI Spark Drone Carrying Case by DOUBI, fit for 4 drone batteries, remote controller, propeller guard, battery charger and other accessories. Why choose DOUBI carrying case for DJI Spark? Keeps your DJI Spark drone and accessories safe, protected and organized. Specification: color black, blue, weight 0.7 kg, material nylon, EVA, dimensions 34 cm by 23 cm by 12 cm, brand DOUBI. Features excellent protection. Our DJI Spark drone case offer great protection to your drone and other accessories. The hard outer shell is tough, durable and looks fantastic. The inside of the case is lined with a soft microfiber material that keeps your DJI Spark drone, remote controller and other accessories snug, while preventing scratches. Shockproof and waterproof, making it the perfect to transport just about anywhere. Unique design: this case is designed specifically for DJI Spark drone and accessories. Tailor-made, fits perfectly. High-quality interior features: compartments for DJI Spark drone body, remote controller, 4x Spark drone batteries, up to 5 batteries, DJI Spark battery charging hub, Spark drone propeller guards and cables. Large storage: large capacity storage space allow you to take your essential accessories on the go. A large zippered mesh pocket provides secure storage room for phone and tablet and other small accessories, such as iPad Pro 9.7 only, iPad Air 2/1, iPad Mini 4.3/2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 4/3, Air Nexus 9/7, Nvidia Shield K1, charging cable, earphone, stylus and other accessories. Zipper ensures your small items do not fall out. What you get: 1x high-performance DJI Spark drone case by DOUBI, worry-free 12-month warranty and 100% money-back guarantee. Note: case only, drone and accessories not included. Have any concerns on this product? Just post your question to the counterpart on this page. We are pleasure to answer every question for you anytime. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.